Well, they say that home is where the heart is, and I believe it's true. Wait till you walk inside this beautiful Franklin, Tennessee home. Your heart may just skip a beat.
I mean, you're right. From the moment you drive into the neighborhood, the streets are lined with black farm-style fences. It's gorgeous. It's got a real equestrian feel to the neighborhood. It's sitting on a spacious 1-acre lot right on a cul-de-sac. I mean, it's easy to land here and say to yourself, my heart is home.
We're Mike and Tina Keil with Keller Williams Realty. We want to take you inside 2708 Deer Haven Court in Franklin, Tennessee.
You are going to love it.
You are. Not only does this gorgeous main level living offer you an open concept for your family or for entertaining friends, there are several other rooms tucked away on a second level that we can't wait to show you. Let's get you started with the basics. Belle Chase Farms is a custom estate community approximately 15 minutes from Cool Springs Galleria. This stunning home has 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and 4,622 square feet. If you're looking for extra parking, it's here. 3-car garage, long driveway with extra parking pads. The dining room offers plenty of space to accommodate your family and friends for holidays or special events. A few steps over, you'll find the butler's pantry, which is a perfect staging area or easily doubles as your bar or beverage station. Bright light, neutral wall color, warm wood floors, 12-foot ceilings. This space invites you to come in and sit by the fire, or you may want to take your favorite beverage out to the back porch. White, bright, and efficient. With ample cabinets, generous counter space, and a center island, this updated kitchen functions practically to feed your hungry crew. It includes granite countertops, convection microwave, gas cooktop, oven warming tray, and plenty of room for a large eat-in table. Everyone needs a place to retreat after a long day, right? This dreamy main level master bedroom says, come refuel in here. You'll feel the warmth the minute you walk in. The ensuite bathroom includes separate vanities, granite counters, and a jetted tub for soaking. The spacious walk-in closet has separate his and her sides with wood shelving.
I mean, how about this office? You could negotiate some great deals from this office. I mean, look at it. Paneled walls, wood floors. There's plenty of room to hang your trophies and your awards. And it even has an outside entrance dedicated to this office so you can have visitors without bothering the family. You're going to love this spot.
Cabinets and shelves for storage, a utility sink, and a countertop for folding clothes. Sounds like a proper laundry room to me. Right off the kitchen and up a few steps, you'll find your family room. Grab the popcorn bucket for movie night. The hardwood floors and 10-foot ceiling allows space for all your toys. Your 4th bedroom is off the family room with a private ensuite bath. Around the corner, you'll find the 2nd level flex room. This room is perfect as a workout gym, sewing or craft room, or additional sleeping room. I'm not sure any camera can capture the warmth and the beauty of this beautiful space. Take a look around. It's the perfect room to write your blog, or to finish that book you've been trying to complete, or record your favorite music, or cuddle up and read a great fiction book. Look, it is gorgeous, inspirational space. Those built-ins behind me, floor to ceiling, shelves and cabinets, hold all the things you need. This room, you're never gonna want to leave it. Move the party outdoors or relax on your swing after a long day. Either way, you'll enjoy the beautiful views on your stone-paved back porch. Don't you love it? Did your heart skip a beat? Come see this home for yourself. 2708 Deer Haven Court is a beauty not to miss. The Keil team is with Keller Williams Realty.
615-778-1818.